So today we're going to be talking about common mistakes you make when it comes to healing your trauma, part 5. Now, more specifically, we're going to be talking about childhood trauma and neglect and the relationship you have with your parents. Now, before I jump right in, let me introduce myself. For those who are new here, my name is Asha, and I work with people who struggle with social anxiety and shyness, and I help them go from overthinking and drowning in self-doubt to confidently expressing themselves, being assertive, and creating meaningful professional relationships. All right, so this mistake is a big one that I see a lot of people make, and I was also a big culprit in doing this, and that is assuming that healing is a destination. So for the longest time, I assumed that if I still had flashbacks or emotional turbulence, or I had random things triggering me about the past, it meant that I wasn't healing. It meant that I wasn't healed, and the efforts I was putting in wasn't as effective as it should be. That could not be farther from the truth, because you know what healing looks like? Healing looks like still having flashbacks, still having triggers, still having your down days where something random reminds you of the past, but being able to control it and not let it affect your self-esteem and your self-worth. Now, a lot of you guys need to hear this, because a lot of you guys will end up discounting all the progress that you made just because you wake up one day and you're just in a bad mood because you had a dream, or you just suddenly woke up and remember something that reminded you of the past. And that is not a sign that you're taking a step back. The way you track your progress is how you handle those situations when you have the triggers and the flashbacks. If you're able to healthily process it, let yourself feel it, then maybe take an hour or two. Some people even need a day. I used to take a day to just recover, and then the next day I'm back on track and I don't have my self-worth impacted by the experience. Now that is what healing looks like. That is what being healed looks like, and that's what you need to remember. Okay guys, it's a very short video, very quick video, but it's such a big, important message. Because if you don't realize this, if you think that having triggers means that you're not healed, you're going to discount all of the hard work that you put in. Alright, so I hope that has been useful for you guys. Very short video, but so informative. And as per usual, if any of you guys want to work one-on-one with me to overcome your social anxiety, process your trauma, and start to be able to confidently express yourself, be assertive, and stop, sitting in the backseat of your own life, feel free to book a strategy call with me. It's a free 45-minute call. We'll talk about your issue, and I'll show you exactly how you can go about overcoming your social anxiety. I'll leave the link in the comments, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. I'll get right to you. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll talk to you guys soon.